Okay, let's keep on going here. Here's something that I think is really kind of important. You're going to talk about investments now. But if you look at this investment of $800 is going to be put in part in this guy, part in the other part, the rest of it in this percent. Well, wait a second. That tells you $1,800 is going to be invested in two parts. So part of that $1,800 is going to be here, and the other part is going to be in investment B. Now, wait a second. What does that mean? Look at this. It says investment A is going to give you 3.5%. So investment A is going to give you 3.5%. Well, what is 3.5%? Remember, that's as a decimal over 100. So we're going to move this over to 0.0, so 0.035 is the investment amount. Okay, that's the amount of interest you're going to get on your original investment. That's why they're multiplied like this. Plus another amount of interest, which is 4.5%. Again, that's 4.5 out of 100, which gives you 0.045 of the investment B, plus 0.045 of your investment B. And that total investment, the interest made, is a whopping, oh, look at this, 73 bucks. Rah! Oh, well, I wish it was more, but that's the way the ball bounces. So there's your nice little system of equations. Again, are you going to solve for A in this equation? No, I would solve for the A in this equation. Keep it simple. So if we do, let's take this equation right here. Let's solve for A. 1,800 equals to A plus B. Solving for A means subtracting B from both sides. And look what you got here. What you got here is you got now 1,800 minus B equals to A. You're going to take this now right here, and you're going to take that and you're going to put that in right here for A. So bringing this down, you have 0.035% interest for A. A is now 1,800 minus B plus the 0.045 B equals to 73. Oh man, some ugly, ugly, ugly numbers to work with. But you know what? Just deal with it, work with it. Use your calculator if you have to, and let's solve this thing. Don't forget, this means to distribute. So we've got 1,800 times 0.035. Let's bring up the calculator and work that out. 1,800, clear this, 1,800 times the 0.035, which is 3.5% interest, gave you a total of 63. So that's 63 then, okay? 63 minus, well, this times minus B, which works out to be minus 0.035B plus 0.045B has to equal to 73. Combine like terms, and I know they're decimals, I know they're ugly, but look how nice this works out. 0.45, think of it as 45B minus 35B. This works out to be a positive 0.010B equals to 73. And these are now starting to give you some really nice numbers. Subtract the 63 from both sides, subtract the 63, that cancels, leaving you 0.010B equals to a whole 10. And take 10 and divide it by 0.010, and watch what happens. You'll be surprised what this number is going to work out to be. So 10 divided by 0.010, right, equals to 1,000 bucks. Isn't that cool? So in other words, now what you've invested in B was $1,000. Look at that. So I got a question for you. Common sense tells me if I started with $1,800 to begin with, $1,800, and I've invested $1,000 in B, how much do I have left? Sure enough, in A, I invested 800 bucks. There you go. That's how you do a nice little investment question with decimals and the whole lot.